cheesiest people you've ever met.
I think for me at least, the big draw was like, hey, we have mutual friends. She wasn't a complete, stranger. It was just like a push in the right direction.
She texted me, by the way, I'm going on a date with Paul. Paul Habits.
I was really busy with work. I kind of reached back out and I said, you still on this thing? And then we went on our first date.
A day later, when I'm talking to my friend, I take a screenshot in her Instagram.
Really deep in the Instagram. Not really, like a first couple of photos.
She likes it being super deep. It was probably like 10 photos deep. And then I see 3 blue dots going and I go, oh God. I actually sent a photo of Catherine to herself. And in spite of that, I'm still here. So, that's...
Yeah. So, we're gonna go set up the photo booth in the back. Oh, yeah.
Oh, this is so nice.
That's so pretty. Are you kidding?
Catherine Smarts, will you marry me?
So is that a yes?
I forgot to say yes. Yeah.
Let's see if I got the size right.
Sorry guys. Okay.
Like 3 months ago, she was like, is it gonna happen? And I was like, it'll happen.
Totally on cloud 9.
I think I'm just so excited to see them form a family. Did you say yes? I don't know. I blacked out.